In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to access ChatGPT 5. Are you ready to dive into the world of AI-powered conversations? Let's make it happen. To start things off, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're comfortable with. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in ChatGPT and hit enter. Doing so will direct you to the search results. Here you'll see a list of links, but what you're looking for is typically the official page for ChatGPT. It might appear as one of the top results, often identified by the official OpenAI or ChatGPT URL. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on that link. This will navigate you to the ChatGPT homepage. Now, this is an exciting part because you're essentially entering the realm of the latest version, which is ChatGPT 5. It's your digital gateway to explore advanced AI technology that's designed to assist, educate, and entertain. Here, you'll see the layout of the new version, which has been meticulously crafted to enhance your interactive experience. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to this kind of technology. After you're on this page, you might be wondering if every feature you're seeing is available to you, especially if a budget is a concern. The good news is that all features you find here are available across all plans. That's right. Whether you're using a free account or a premium subscription, you have access to the full suite of capabilities that ChatGPT 5 offers. This includes any updates or nifty new tools that have been bundled with the latest release. It's important to point out that accessing these tools doesn't require any additional setup or installation on your device. All you need is an internet connection and a device that can access a web browser. Simple, right? You're now fully set up to explore and utilize this powerful tool at your fingertips. Keep in mind, as you navigate, there might be a need to log in if you want to make the most out of personalized features or save any sessions. If you haven't created an account yet, it's easy enough to get started with just an email and a password. That's it! You've successfully accessed ChatGPT 5. Feel free to explore its features and see what fascinating interactions you can have. Whether you're curious about a topic, need help with a task, or just want to engage in a conversation, ChatGPT is there to assist. Happy exploring, and thanks for watching.